Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to voiceover in CapCut. To add a voiceover in CapCut, first of all, open up CapCut application and tap on New Project from the homepage. Import your video or photo clips that you'd like to use in your edit. After selecting a video clip or a photo, tap on the Add button at the bottom right, and you will then be able to open up the selected clip in the timeline. Now, tap on the audio button at the bottom of the screen, and you will then be able to see several other options on the bottom. Simply click on Record. Now tap on the middle of the screen where you can see the microphone. You will also need to press and hold it to record your voiceover. Allow microphone access to CapCut by tapping Allow, and once you are done, you will then be able to record the voiceover just like that. After you do that, your voiceover will be recorded. Now tap the tick mark in order to save the change, and you will see your voiceover added to the project. You can also go ahead and add audio effects in the voiceover if you'd like by tapping on Audio Effects. Select the audio effect you'd like to use for your voiceover, and finally, after you are done, you can export your video as usual. So that's how you can easily add a voiceover in CapCut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.